Somfy Elixo 500-800 dip switch settings explained. Welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. If you are installing or troubleshooting a Somfy Elixo 500 or 800 gate motor, then this video is very important for you. Because today I will explain all dip switch settings step by step in a simple way. After watching this video, you will be able to set your control board like a professional. Let's start. What are dip switches? Dip switches are small on or off switches on the control board. They control how your gate behaves, like speed, direction, safety, and automatic closing. By default, all dip switches are off. Dip switch 1 and 2. Motor torque adjustment. Dip switch 1 and 2 control the motor power. Dip switch 1 off and dip switch 2 off. 100% torque, full power. Off and on. 75% torque. On and off. 50% torque. On and on. 25% torque. Pro tip. Use full power for heavy gates. Use lower torque for light gates to increase safety. After changing torque, always check obstacle detection for safety. Dip switch 3. Motor direction. This setting depends on motor position. Dip switch 3 off. Motor installed on left side. Dip switch 3 on. Motor installed on right side. If your gate opens in the wrong direction, just change this switch. Dip switch 4. Auxiliary output. This selects what the output will control. Dip switch 4 off. Auxiliary output active for gate light. Dip switch 4 on. Auxiliary output active for electric lock. Use electric lock for extra security. Dip switch 5. Light time delay. This controls how long the light stays on. Dip switch 5 off. Light stays on for 30 seconds. Dip switch 5 on. Light stays on for 120 seconds. Dip switch 6. Input mode. This defines how your wall button works. Dip switch 6 off. Pedestrian plus full opening. Dip switch 6 on. Open and close control. Use pedestrian mode for partial opening. Dip switch 7, 8, 9. Operating modes. Dip switch 7 off, 8 off, 9 off. Sequential mode. Each press. Open, stop, close, stop. Dip switch 7 off, 8 off, 9 on. Sequential plus auto close. Gate closes automatically after set time. Requires photocells for safety. Dip switch 7 off, 8 on, 9 off. Semi-automatic. Press during opening, the gate stop. Press during closing, the gate reopen. Dip switch 7 off, 8 on, 9 on. Fully automatic. Gate closes automatically. Remote during opening, no effect. Remote during closing reopens. Dip switch 7 on, 8 off, 9 off. Automatic plus cell blocking. Smart mode. Gate reacts to movement near photocells. Dip switch 7 on, on. Deadman mode. Gate only moves while button is pressed. No remote control in this mode. Dip switch 10. Safety edge test. Dip switch 10 off. No test. Dip switch 10 on. Safety test enabled. Dip switch 11. Warning light. Dip switch 11 off. No warning before movement. Dip switch 11 on. 2-second warning before movement. Highly recommended for safety. Dip switch 12. Photocell test. Dip switch 12 off. No test. Dip switch 12 on. Photocell auto test during closing. Final settings advice. For normal home use, I recommend medium torque, automatic closing, photocells on, warning light on. This gives best safety and performance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon. If you have any questions, comment below will help you.